I think what I will be doing is I want to go to the Afghani restaurant. I really think it's amazing, and the beauty about it also as well, they speak really good English. I'm gonna have food there and come back here because it's not far, and probably just drink like tea or something or juice. I don't know. We'll see. Very nice. Right. Let's go to the restaurant. And here we are. This is the restaurant. This is the guys. Salaam alaikum. And he's making like food here. How are you? Alright, we're gonna go in. And this is like the Afghani tradition, right? It caught my attention like with the pictures the last time when I was here. Baluchi folk musician. And this is like the instrument. It reminds me of the instrument in Iran. The three boys in Shiraz when they were playing the music in the street. If you missed the video, check it out. It's very nice, and the restaurant is quite clean as well. Very nice place, and I already know what I'll be having. Of course, here's the menu. They do have an English menu. So here's the menu here. I've ordered this before, and I've ordered one of these before. I can't remember which one, but I want the same thing. And there he is. Salam, brother.
How are you?
I'm very good. Can I order food? I want the meat sticks that I ordered last time, remember?
Okay. One portion?
One portion, yeah.
Okay.
It comes like with 12 or 14 sticks? 12 sticks, yeah. That's it. And 2 naan breads. Okay? Shukriya. This guy is from Quetta, the city that I came from the border to, and he is part Afghani as well. This is, as I said, an Afghani restaurant, and there is also an Afghani, most of the workers here are Afghanis, but there's a guy here, I don't know where he is, he speaks really good English from Afghanistan. Respect. You know. Anyway, when the food is here, we'll give it a taste test, and we'll give it a try. Alright, we got served. The meat is ready, and the bread, this is what we got served. Here's the meat sticks. I will show you one here, like that. And we get the bread, this is the naan breads. It's pretty much like similar to the one we just saw earlier. They were making it, and there is a special sauce here. So here it is. I'm gonna give this like that, look. Put it like with the bread. Scoop it out, just like this. Put that stick away, and look at the meat. Oh man! And this is like a piece of fat in every stick they have, and a tender meat. Oh, it's so good and juicy. And we'll dip it in with the sauce, just like this one here, just like that. We bite. Oh man, it's incredible, like super good, simple, good. The meat doesn't even need seasoning because it's incredible. The flavor, I love it. It's amazing. Grab another one here, just like that, and again, yeah, you don't even need sauce if you don't want to, just like this. It's amazing. Right, I'm gonna smash this. Demolished, finished, done. But before I go, I want to show this here. Our signature palo is made with the finest meat, with bone, so please chew it with love. And this is the rest of the restaurant here. Ah, it's amazing. I love it. You can hear me vlogging, right? How much is the total, please?
No problem, sir. Your guess.
Sorry?
No problem.
No. How much is it? Please.
900.
900. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
YouTube channel there?
Yes, I have my YouTube channel is Mo Draj. D-R-A-J. I can write it, yeah. New subscriber. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Allah Hafiz. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz. Amazing people. Ah, very nice people. I like them. I like them really a lot. Very clean restaurant, very nice, very delicious. For those who are wondering, it's called Quetta. What was it called? Hang on, I have it on my phone actually. Quetta Nurband. Yeah. Just where Melody Food Park is, so you can't really miss it. It's just the food park entrance is over there, and this is all the food park, and it's just behind this building. You can't miss it really.